In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and make the most of MyFitnessPal, a popular tool for tracking diet and exercise to help you manage your goals effectively. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to explore its premium features, this guide will walk you through the process smoothly and effortlessly. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the MyFitnessPal website. Simply open your web browser and type in the URL myfitnesspal.com. This will lead you to the homepage of the site, where you'll see a variety of tools designed to assist you in tracking your daily calorie intake and physical activity. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice an option to enhance your experience by subscribing to MyFitnessPal Premium. This subscription provides you with additional features that can streamline your journey toward health and fitness. Next, you'll need to decide between two subscription options, annually or monthly. The annual subscription often offers better value in the long run, so if you're committed to maintaining your fitness goals for the year, it might be the best choice for you. On the other hand, if you're just dipping your toes into the waters of MyFitnessPal or prefer more flexibility, the monthly subscription is a convenient alternative. Whichever option you choose, rest assured that MyFitnessPal is designed to support you every step of the way. After selecting the subscription plan that best suits your needs, it's time to get started on the premium journey by clicking on the Start Free Trial button. This trial period is a great way to explore premium features without any immediate financial commitment, allowing you to experience the benefits firsthand. It's a fantastic opportunity to see how these advanced tools can assist you in achieving your health and fitness goals more efficiently. Finally, to activate your free trial, you'll need to provide your credit card details. While this may seem a bit daunting, remember that this step is necessary to ensure a seamless continuation of your subscription once the trial period ends. Don't worry, as there is usually an option to cancel before you're charged if you decide the premium features aren't aligned with your expectations. Entering your credit card information is a straightforward process, and the website is secured to protect your personal information. With these steps completed, you're now equipped to explore MyFitnessPal's premium offerings and take significant strides toward a healthier lifestyle. Remember, consistency is key, and by tracking your nutrition and exercise habits with precision, you're well on your way to reaching and even surpassing your health goals. Use the wealth of resources available to you through MyFitnessPal to stay motivated and informed, and enjoy the journey to a healthier you.